all the proud parents gathered here. You are absolutely delighted to have you join us for this special occasion as we embark on the journey of love, learning, and growth. Today's annual concert is more than just a celebration for our young stars. It's a window into the enchantment that unfolds within the walls of Podar Jumbo Kids. Our theme this year, Jumbo's Panchakosha, beautifully embodies the essence of holistic education. We believe in nurturing not just the minds but also the hearts and bodies of our kindergarten children, recognizing this as the cornerstone of their well-rounded development. The Panchakosha philosophy, deeply rooted in our cultural heritage, provides the compass of this journey. Through various activities, we have interwoven the Panchakosha into the fabric of our curriculum at Podar Jumbo Kids, ensuring that our children receive a holistic education right from their foundational years. It's about nurturing their physical strength, nurturing their emotional well-being, fortifying their ethical foundation, kindling cognitive brilliance, and most importantly, their boundless joy. As parents play a very vital role in this journey, and we are elated to showcase the incredible progressive talent of our children today. So parents, without any further ado, let's celebrate the wonders of learning, growth, and holistic development of our children's. So once again, a warm welcome to all of you present here. So parents, there are few guidelines. Before starting, I would like to tell you all that you have to cheer all the students from there. You all are not supposed to come here. Okay, because some kids are very cranky when they see their parents. So let's appreciate the efforts of all the students. They have worked really very hard. Don't go for perfection. Even if they fumble, even if they stand there, that is okay for us, okay? So we'll start the event with Swati ma'am's video. She's the director of Podar Jumbo Kids.
Namaskar, dear parents, and welcome to our annual concert. The annual concert this year is called Jumbo's Panchakoshas. The national education policy of our country has been revisited after decades. So we now have a new national education policy. And one of the most important things that's there in this policy is revisiting Indian traditional education systems. So you will see words like Panchakosha, Panchadi, etc. in the national education policy. So while the world took time to come out with Maslow's hierarchy of needs or Bloom's taxonomy, Indian education systems, traditional Indian education systems always had Panchakosha, which means all-round development, and Panchadi, which means the steps of a lesson plan. Now, Jumbo is bringing you Panchakosha for your children in the annual concert. So what are these Panchakoshas? So Panchakoshas are Annamaya Kosh, which means physical development. Pranamaya Kosh, which means the energy, which means the internal body development. Then you have Manomaya Kosh, which means your mind layer, how your mental abilities develop. Then you have Vijnamaya Kosh, which means your wisdom. How are you going to learn cognitively? And you have the Anandamaya Kosh, which is the bliss layer, which means the creative arts, dance, music, etc. Learn more about this in our fantastic annual concert, Jumbo's Panchakosha, because our children need the Power Pack 5, the 5 of Panchakosha, the 5 necessary skills to become the all-round individuals we want them to become. So come with your family and watch as our children dance and talk and deliberate on the stage about the Panchakosha and show you how the Panchakosha are there in every of our Podar centers. Come and celebrate your child. because it's your child who's going to go on stage. Yes, at a tender age of 3, 4, 5, your children are going to go on stage. Each and every child is going to be on stage and is going to put forth their best because their family is going to be in front of them. Yes, in our annual concerts, we always urge parents, please don't put makeup because children have such beautiful, innocent skins. Why spoil them with makeup? So we want you there to cheer the children, to clap for them so that they develop the Panchakosha which is required for all-round development. Come, join us at Jumbo's Panchakosha.
Okay, so we'll begin with the scene 1. Characters. Azlan will be playing National Education Policy 2022. Arav as National Curriculum Framework 2022. 5 Koshas will be played by Ziana as Annamaya Kosha, Krishank as Pranamaya Kosha, Prisha as Manomaya Kosha, Kulsum as Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Aisha as Anandamaya Kosha. Inaya as mother, Swaraj as father. So let's welcome NEP and NCF on the stage.
I am National Education Policy 2020. I am the new education policy of India. I have changed after 34 years. I transform India by giving the vibrant knowledge base to children. To implement this, we need National Curriculum Framework 2022. Here I have my friend, National Curriculum Framework 2022. Hello everyone, I am the National Curriculum Framework 2022 for foundational years, 3 years, 2 years. I have something fantastic for teachers and parents to support children to grow healthy in mind and body. Let me introduce you the tradition of 5 for development, the Panchkoshas.
Anandamaya Kosha. Anandamaya Kosha. Anandamaya Kosha. Anandamaya Kosha. Go take it.
Let's meet the first student named Annamaya Kosha, which involves the physical development through food, exercise, sleep. See nobody know the body student. Here come our second friend, the friend Namaya Kosha, known for the vital energy and breath. It is our inner body strength.
Manomaya Kosha. Manomaya Kosha.
Special meet the third friend, Nimonu Makoso, which activates the social, emotional, and ethical development in children. Here come our fourth friend, Avinamamaya Kosha, which is about the cognitive development in children. Special meet the fifth friend, the bliss and happiness through children, to the children's lives. Tiruvananthapuram, which is responsible for an aesthetic and cultural development in children.
Swaraj as father and Inaya as mother.
Children, this is such a water to chat others
Holistic development.
Okay, he mean to say, this is such a wonderful concept for our children's holistic development.
Now this is where can we find?
but where can we find all the Panchakosha together?
I have the Panchakosha implemented at Podar Jumbo Kids through activities that led to holistic development in children's.
These educational stalwarts, NEP 2020 and NCF 2022, introduced us to the Panchakosha, a beautiful Indian tradition of five-fold development, focusing on every aspect of child's growth. As we meet the Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha, we discover the secrets to nurturing a physical, emotional, ethical, cognitive, and cultural development. Now, our children, Sia and Sumit, along with their parents and Jumbo, step onto the stage. They showcase how Podar Jumbo Kids has brought the Panchakosha to life through enriching activities of the curriculum that leads to the holistic development. Get ready to witness the joy and talent in the wonderful world of learning and growth. Let's welcome children of class playgroup to perform on this Jumbo song, who is our children's lovable friend. So let's welcome them on the stage.
I like to introduce to you AK Jumbo Arwal. Bring it in. This. You can chase the money and the blame. Money can buy you everything. Not gonna take you so far. You gotta have a goal to be a star.
Welcome to the jungle, baby. रहता हूँ यहाँ मेरे यारों के साथ.
I got a big heart.
So if you want a party, buddy, you just come on in, yeah. जमा दे रंग, yo. दिल मेरा jumbo. दिल मेरा jumbo.
Get Bill. Get Jumbo. I got a big heart. Yeah. I got a big heart. Yeah. I got a jumbo. Got a big heart, baby. All around now, feel right, up and down now, all night. What? Put your body on, all tight. Let's find a jumbo. All right.
जैसे है जिगर, baby, you say ultra cool, yo. MC है मस्ताना.
I got a big heart.
Be is for the best of friends, always number one, yeah. यारों का यार, yo, दिल मेरा जंगो. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. हे, देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं. हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ. चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले. मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे.
Come on, parents, cheer them.
मस्ती में तू डोल रे.
Wow, what a spectacular performance. They have really worked hard. It's a great effort they have done. So let's wait for scene 2. Characters. Hadia will be playing Sia's role. Sia is a Podar Jumbo Kids child. Ali Abbas will be playing as Sumit. Oh Jumbo, we love you so much.
I love you too, my dear children.
We are so glad to meet you.
रुको रुको.
What are the ones who go so why don't we read them?
रुको रुको, आपके सारे सवालों के जवाबों के लिए हमें स्कूल जाना होगा. तो चलो स्कूल चले हम.
Wow, what an enchanting skit. Let's give Sia, Sumit and our adorable Jumbo a big round of applause. Now, let's continue the excitement as our children are all set to present a heartwarming song that beautifully celebrates the essence of Panchakosha. Let's extend them a warm and enthusiastic welcome. Here we have children of class nursery and junior all set to go to school to meet Panchakosha's friend.
चले हम, रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम। इसके दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं, कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं, दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है, इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है, रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम।
दानिया दानिया Hip hip hooray for the wonderful children. Your energy and enthusiasm was on point. It was very engaging to watch them. As the stage is set, the students are ready and the story is eager to unfold. So let's welcome the kids for scene 3.
Abu? Abu?
Characters: Ziana as Annamaya Kosha, Hadia as Sia. Sia is a Podar Jumbo Kids child. Sumit Ali Raza as Sumit, Murtuza as Sumit's father, Arish as Sumit's grandmother. Let's welcome Annamaya Kosha on stage.
Hello everyone, I am Annamaya Kosha, the physical lab. My journey begins with the development of the physical lab and its center.
So as you all know, Annamaya Kosha prioritizes on physical activity, healthy eating habits and a good night's sleep. It enhances your physical strength, flexibility, energy and focuses.
I am feeling so tired and hungry. Play in the garden. Sumit, chip, junk food. Let's have delicious millet paratha with fried chutney and curd. Wow, I'm so excited to relish this healthy image. Yes, it is so good. I want to take this for my tiffin tomorrow. I only carry healthy food to school as we have a healthy jumbo snacks menu with fruits, millet, parathas and healthy sandwiches. Wow, which school are you here? Uncle, I study Kudal Jumbo Kids. As we have a unique birthday policy based on Maria Montessori birthday walk. As a part of birthday celebration, we don't cut cakes, and instead we displayed with floats as little gift to all our friends are cool. Wow, that's it. Wow, eating healthy food will help maintain healthy body. Daddy, I am going to definitely make healthy food choices.
In the journey of Annamaya Kosha, we have witnessed the importance of healthy choices for our children. Just as Sia and Sumit learned, proper nutrition and exercise are the building blocks of physical strength. And now, as we continue our exploration of the Panchakosha, let's see how these healthy choices come to life with a delightful dance act by our young stars. They are all set to groove and show us what it means to stay active and strong. Let's witness their boundless energy and enthusiasm as they take the stage and dive into the world of movement, health, and physical vitality with a lively dance performance by a class Junior KG. So get ready to be amazed.
बहुत सिंपल है गोल गोल मत बोलो जल्दी से इसको चख ले चटकारे लेके दो मासूमियत का मौसम दोस्तियों की धूप रिश्तों के निकले पर है बहुत सिंपल है गोल गोल मत बोलो के ये धागे बांध दे तुम हमको जिंदगी इसके आगे कुछ भी मुझको न को बचपन की ये सवारी यारों की यादें शम्मा जलती रहे
Parents, cheer them.
लाइफ बहुत सिंपल है गोल गोल मत बोलो जल्दी से अरे जल्दी से इसको चख ले चटकारे लेके दो
Give it up for a young fitness enthusiast who delivered a dabba-tastic performance. Their flexibility, enthusiasm and creativity were truly a treat for all of us. I hope parents, you all are enjoying the event. I know you all have to say yes only here. something very normal. But for kids, this is very important, very unique thing for them to perform on this stage for the first time. Aisha as Sia, Ali as Sumit, Adib as Sumit's father, Maria as grandmother.
Daddy, yesterday at high school, I did a fun activity on music and woman and so I should play. Very daddy, so good, lots of fun. It is neat. Didn't want to play. Sia, I am happy to see you doing these physical activities rather than sitting on the television. Children, this has been a long day. I suggest you wash up, freshen up, and go to sleep. Yes, 9 hours sleep is much fortunate. After all, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Yes, Uncle, my teacher at school also tells us to sleep early at night, and this is a good of a healthy body and mind. Ma, we definitely should consider moving Sumit to Rajambukis. As school we set good practices, we lay a foundation for Sumit.
Maya Kosha in mind, we have implemented various physical activities at Podar Jumbo Kids that include a jumbo snack menu, birthday policy, parachute play, music and movement, outdoor activities, and much more at Podar Jumbo Kids.
Left leg, आगे आगे, right leg, पीछे पीछे आजा यारा, let's start the way. सर को घुमा ले round, पैर सारा up down, इतनी सी ये बात वे. वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हक में तू हाथ थाम ले. ओए डांस पे डांस मार ले, ओ सोनिया डांस पे डांस मार ले. डांस
Wow, what a spectacular performance. Trishank as Pranamaya Kosha, Samara as Sia, Azlan as Sumit, Hassan as Pran Uncle, that is a yoga teacher. So let's welcome Pranamaya Kosha on stage.
Hello. I am a Kota.
Okay. So Pranamaya Kosha is what unites the body and mind. Prana enter the body via nourishment and breath. It is believed to have a positive effect on energy system of the body.
Wow, beautiful garden. Have you said? And the thing. Look here, the Pran over there. Let's go and meet Pran Uncle. Hello, Charles. I'm a teacher. I have to see what are you here. What are you doing in the garden, Uncle? I am practicing yoga. Do dance like this to stay calm and be healthy. Wow, that's another thing. Done for yoga for this and some beauty exercises. Practicing yoga, improve our focus, concentration, boost inner vitality for.
Sumit and Sia decided to do some yoga poses along with Pran Uncle.
Close your eyes.
Can open eyes? Not that here. Dear, I can see this one page. At Pradhanamukit, we do yoga at friends and she's every day. Oh, that's nice. Let me also try it you.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. In and out. Say your dialogue.
I am feeling relaxed.
I don't relax now.
Of inner vitality with Pranamaya Kosha, our young ones are all set to take you on a journey of mindfulness and relaxation. This kosha reminded us of the significance of yoga and breathing exercises. Our children are here to showcase the benefits of these practices through a delightful dance act. Their vibrant performance reflects the essence of a strong mind and a strong body. Get ready for a performance that will leave you feeling refreshed. So, let's welcome them on stage.
एक सांस जो अंदर जाती है वो खुद से खुद को मिलाती है
एक सांस जो अंदर जाती है वो खुद से खुद को मिलाती है
रोम रोम को छूकर वो अंतर मन को महकाती है तन मन में सो रंग भरो योग करो योग करो तन मन में सो रंग भरो योग करो योग करो आज से आरंभ करो योग करो योग करो आस थाके आमने खोले अपने द्वार है सिद्धार बनो योग करो योग
Wow, well done, little yogis. Your performance was a harmonious blend of peace and energy. You have shown us the power of single breath, and we are grateful for this serene journey. Let's wait for a minute for our little angels to get ready. Anumaya Kosha, Vihana as Sia. Sia is a Podar Jumbo Kids child. Fiza as Sumit. Aryan as Raj. And Jannat as teacher.
Hello everyone, I am Anamaya Kosa.
Annamaya Kosha is the mental layer of the human mind. Instincts, thoughts, and perception are all linked to Manomaya Kosha. It is considered to be a large part in what constitutes the concept of personality and ego. Friends are playing in the garden. Sia enters.
Hi Raj, hi Sumit. My soul is Padar Jamatis. Here's the rise in a funny van with a puppet show, rhymes, stories, and discussion. So I won't book. Oh, let's come to the other ways. Lots of fun. School? No. School? No. But why? It is a wonderful event. Ugly? But school is all about polite. And there is no room for fun. But Raj and Sumit, my school is different. So I am sure you will have lots of fun. So let's meet tomorrow to visit my school at 9 a.m. Wow, what a wonderful decoration with children drawing. Yes, in the class, in the teacher explained in the workshop, and we express our feelings and understanding through our drawing. Welcome to Lamb. We are happy to see you. Let's get ready for a puppet show and enjoy it. That's awesome.
Come on now, sit and enjoy the puppet show.
That was interesting puppet show. Let's gather to sing Sapphire and show Rashitina semicircle.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty did not have a wall. He knew how to be careful. He knew how to play. And that is why he is in one piece today.
Sia, I must say, your school has such mindful letters. I just don't like leaving.
We inculcate the Manomaya Kosha aspect by giving children an opportunity for free expression, feelings, and emotion through various mindful activities like whole class discussion, puppet shows, rhymes, drawings, and stories.
Is all about learning through joy and mindful practices, and it truly stands for nurturing not just knowledge but also the hearts. Our little stars of class nursery are here to echo this sentiment through a special dance act. It's incredible how discussions, puppet shows, and heartwarming rhymes take center stage. Manomaya Kosha emphasizes the significance of thoughts and emotions. Now let's get ready for the performance that reflects the importance of social and emotional well-being. It will touch your heart and showcase the power of mindful practices. Their expressions and emotions are sure to captivate you. So stay tuned.
Freedom's only real when we share. We can only heal when we care. Always keeping you in my prayer. Always feeling you in my tears.
ऐसा मैंने सुना है कहीं पे मैंने पढ़ा है शायद किसी ने कहा है खुश है वो जहां में जिसने अपना गम भुला कर दूसरों का दर्द सहा है कौन हूँ मैं किस काम का जो तेरे काम ना सकूं तो परेशान जो होगा अगर मुझे कैसे आए सुकून मुझे कैसे आए सुकून तू मुस्कुराए तो दिल को चैन आए तेरी छोटी सी हंसी से मेरा दिन बन जाए तू मुस्कुराए तो दिल को चैन आए तेरी छोटी सी हंसी से मेरा दिन बन जाए रात को जैसे मीठा सा खाब आए जो तू मुस्कुराए मेरा दिन बन जाए बन जाए जो तू मुस्कुराए दिन बन जाए जो तू मुस्कुराए
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी कि जिंदगी
Cheer them, parents. Brought Ek Zindagi to life with your vibrant energy and enthusiasm, reminding us to live life to the fullest. So parents, we will be having a short interval for 15 minutes. Snack boxes are kept outside the auditorium. You all can collect and come back after 15 minutes.
आजा यारा let's start a way. सर को घुमा ले राउंड, पैर जरा अप डाउन, इतनी सी ये बात वे. वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हक में तू हाथ थाम ले.
Come on, parents.
पे चांस मार ले, ओ सोनिया डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ बलिया डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ सोनिया डांस पे चांस मार ले.
पिछे पिछे आया तेरी जान वेंदा आया, पिछे पिछे आया तेरी जान वेंदा आया. सानू राह जो पए शिकारे नी, सानू तेरा नाम लपिया, दिल देख के तू ले जा मुठिया रे नी. सानू तेरा नाम लपिया.
हो चल हाथ घुमा ले यारा, हो जैसे सुइया साथ से बारल बन गया स्टेप सोनिया, तू बन गया है सोनिया. हो सारा कमर को ऐसे घुमाना, हो जैसे हवा में आठ बनाना, ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया, तू बन गया है सोनिया. वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हक में तू हाथ थाम ले. कोई डांस पे चांस मार ले, वो सोनिया डांस पे चांस मार ले, वो बलिए डांस पे चांस मार ले, वो सोनिया डांस पे चांस मार ले.
Wow, what an amazing performance. Please give them a big round of applause. Let's not waste the time and we'll begin with scene 6. Usha, Azeen as Sia. Sia is a Podar Jumbo Kids student. Marish as Sia's friend Ria. And Valia as Sia's mummy.
Hi.
So let's welcome Manumaya Kosha, Vijnana Maya Kosha on stage.
Hello everyone, I am Mama Kusha.
Vijnana Maya Kosha is the intellectual layer. The journey revolves around expanding the intellect and wisdom through learning, reading, and gaining knowledge.
What a breathtaking trail. It is so adventurous. Yes, nature did so much. See ya. Let's play a game.
Sim and Smiley on the slide, on the slide, on the slide. Sim and Smiley on the slide, splashing all around.
That's a jingle. Jingle bell. Jingle bell. I am tired. Tralala for some time. We are see there are some different patterns and color that we see in nature.
As they observe the things in nature, it starts raining. They enjoy the rain and suddenly see a rainbow in the sky.
Oh, that's right. So mesmerizing. Do you know how rainbows form? Yes, Ria, is because of the sunlight that enters water dropping and splits into 7 colors. It is nice. It is nice to see you connect side with nature.
As they sit by the pond side, Sia entertains Ria with some games.
Ria, can you guess in which hand do I have on stones? This one, not this one. Not this one, not this one. Fantastic. Now can you estimate how many stones you have with you? Let me think. 1, 2, it's 6. Fantastic. I am so happy to see you connect. I am able to do math so well.
As Sia, Ria, and her mom embark on an adventurous nature trail, we witness the power of learning and cognitive growth in action. Nature is their classroom, and every moment is a lesson. The symphonics jingle, the science of rainbow, and even a little math, these young explorers are connecting knowledge with the world around them. Just as Vijnanamaya Kosha emphasizes expanding intellect and wisdom, our young explorers are ready to take you on a journey of discovery and learning. Get ready to be enchanted by their cognitive prowess. Let's celebrate the world of cognitive development as our little minds showcase the wonders of knowledge and learning. Their performance will leave you in awe.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर खोल दे पर 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 रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी रटी रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी भागी तेवर जो तेरे बोलेंगे सब नारी सबको मनाने की तेरी नहीं जिम्मेदारी ऊंचे आसमानों पे लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी खोल दे पर 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 हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑटो को करके गोल ऑटो को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑटो को करके गोल ऑटो को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज मैन, अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन, अरे चाचू ऑरेंज मैन, अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन।
Cheers to our young explorers. Your performance showcased the endless wonder and curiosity that fuels the Vijnanamaya Kosha. Keep asking questions and seeking knowledge. You are on a brilliant journey. Parents, you all are very excited and amazed to see how our little babies have grown up so much. So parents, stay ready. So scene 7 is ready. So here it goes. Characters: Aisha as Anandamaya Kosha, Vaiba as Sia, Umar as Amit. Amit is Sia's brother. He is also a Podar Jumbo Kids child. Anabia as Sia's mummy and Mithilesh as Sia's papa. Let's welcome Anandamaya Kosha on stage.
Hello everyone. Anandamaya Kosha.
Anandamaya Kosha is the blessed layer. Its path is one of the inner joy and spiritual connection. Practices like free expression through creative art, integration of technology, and coding have led to the development. It is the source of the inner happiness. During a weekend, Sia, Podar Jumbo Kids child, and a family decide to take a road trip to the countryside.
I could see some beautiful and then I will be Pila, Billy Kira Tap, a moody, Pinty Vihaje. Oh, really? Let's go near. See them closely. At Podar Jumbo Kids, we learn and get amazing art form. Like girl, Pin Patumani, and Worthy. Achiran, Daddy. Like हड्डी बच्चे बच्चे बात को तू दौड़ पजल I remember last year the annual concert. We learned with you about the indigenous tribes. Yes, it was. Yes, the tea. Very interesting.
Even I learned so much.
We are so much. But why aren't they decorated? I think it's a festival celebration. Festival celebration are so much fun. To be baby, both are different with equal to
Enthusiasm. And enthusiasm.
Podar Jumbo Kids, the Photashana, Filiana Patil.
The flavors of the Scotia are woven into our curriculum through Indian art forms, global art forms, integration of technology, and engaging activities like coding.
Okay, hold this.
As Sia and her family explore the countryside, we are reminded of the beauty that surrounds us. At Podar Jumbo Kids, our young learners are on a journey of aesthetic and cultural development. Thanks to practices that embrace art, technology, and creative expression. Mud houses adorned with vibrant paintings are a testament to the creative spirit of the countryside. Just as Sia's family is captivated by this art, our Podar Jumbo Kids children have been busy exploring the world of art through Indian and global forms, along with the integration of technology. Anandamaya Kosha, the source of inner happiness, thrives on the joy of creative expressions. Our little artists and tech enthusiasts of class are about to demonstrate their artistic flair through a special dance performance. So get ready to be immersed in the world of aesthetic and culture.
Dhum da na 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 dhum dhum da na 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 dhum dhum agappa dhum dhum da na na de na 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 dhum dhum agasa ra da dhum da 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 di ra na 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 da 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 dhum da 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 dhum da da dhum 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 da na 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 di na 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 dhum da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you zindagi Love you zindagi Love you zindagi Love me zindagi
हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं मैं थोड़ी सी मुंडी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you zindagi Love you zindagi
note to positivity and joy. Our young performers truly brought this act to life. Their radiant smiles and infectious enthusiasm reflected the blossoming of Anandamaya Kosha. Keep spreading happiness. So parents, this will be the last skit for the day. Then we will be having some fun segment for parents as well. So stay tuned. Characters: Ilma as Sia, Yuvansh as Sumit, Zain as Sumit's father. Sumit's father visits Podar Jumbo Kids for Sumit's admission.
Dear Jumbo, they invite the Pankocha individually or thoroughly neat activity and Pada Jumbo Kids in
At Podar Jumbo Kids preschool, we understand that Panchakosha is not isolated but interconnected. We combine them in many of our activities at school. Your activities is all mixed with Panchakosha element. We have activities for developing 5 motor skills and eye-hand coordination like in Ananya Ma Kosha.
dressing glasses. We love doing patterning by using flower gift.
These pre-coding skills help children in engaging all their senses and develop mindfulness through Pranayama Kosha.
We do shorting activity using the flower marble games.
Yes, these activities leads to their cognitive development as in Vijna Namaya Kosha.
Yes. Yes. She's telling me about it.
Yes, he was telling me about it.
She was telling me.
He meant to say, yes, Sia was telling me about it.
We are a group, have fun, play with different games. In which we one play channel.
These coding activities leads to the development of the Manomaya Kosha in children, the social and emotional skills.
I am Amit.
Children, yes, these creativity and imagination to make things they see in their daily lives, thereby developing Anandamaya Kosha.
I am glad I made right choice for cement rolling by just giving the right start.
As we have just heard, Podar Jumbo Kids is all about nurturing the 5 layers of the Panchakoshas, and we do it seamlessly, weaving into various activities. It's a holistic approach to education. From coding with Frobel gifts to fostering pre-coding skills and fine motor skill development in Annamaya Kosha, our young learners experience it all. It's an exciting journey that engages all their senses. Cognitive development, emotional intelligence, and creativity thrive at Podar Jumbo Kids. Coding like Cubeto spark their imaginations and set the stage for Manomaya and Annamaya Kosha to shine. Now, we have a Podar Jumbo Kids parents to demonstrate the magic of this holistic approach as they are partners in the child's teaching learning process. Let's witness a vibrant dance performance by our parents and get ready to explore the harmonious blend of their Panchakoshas in action.
Idayi, 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 आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा
Very well done, mothers. Cheers for our amazing mothers. Fathers were so hesitant to come up on the stage and perform, but mothers have done really very well. Please give them a big round of applause. So this will be the last performance by all our Podar Jumbo Kids family. So stay tuned.
children can showcase their talent and build confidence. Just like the Podar Jumbo Kids, Go Alpha Kids also believes in encouraging overall child development. So now I know you all must be wondering what is this Go Alpha. So now we see everyone loves playing sports during during when they were kid, right? So but the question is, did you get a right platform to do that? Was the program training conducted in a way that it was actually helpful to you, right? So right now we are here to take care of it. So Go Alpha is a preschool engagement platform, a sports expertise is what I would say, where we help identify kids' talent at a very young and grassroots age. So right now we are present in 10 plus cities and we have worked with more than 250 plus major preschool brands, including Podar Jumbo Kids. So what we do is at a very grassroots age, we help them to give them exposure to variety of sports. So throughout the academic year, we'll be making them understand the level of sports, how is it gonna played, what is gonna happen. And for the academic year, our coach, we call them as buddy, they will be coming to the center and that's how we'll be taking care of the sports. So we have signed up with the Podar Jumbo Kids for the sports program through our in-school engaging platform and at the fundamentals of multi-sports for the preschools. So this will be conducted during the school hours and we seek to ignite a love during during sports among the kids. So such that they develop a lifelong passion towards the sports. So we understood that we are really frustrated. In fact, after the pandemic especially, we see kids are attracted toward mobile phones and TV screens, right? So this is something where this is the correct age where we could gain their interest for this specific thing and we can make them introduced to variety of sports and that's how we'll be teaching them multi-sports and fundamentals of multi-sports. So we follow a curriculum which is LTAD, again a long-term athlete development. It is an Australian curriculum where every minute to minute there is a plan. What has to be done, how it has to be done, and you will be getting newsletters, certificates, and all of those things. So many more things gonna happen with the preschool. We will be notifying you about the same. And we are really, I'm genuinely excited about this collaboration with the Podar Jumbo Kids and really looking forward for the Go Alpha classes at the PJK Center. Thank you and enjoy your day.
Ringa ringa roses.
देखो देखो मुर्गी का जोड़े अंडे का क्या होगा लाइफ मिलेगी याद
What's going on?
Nice. मुझ में कहीं बात
we are done for the day. Thank you so much for coming here and giving your precious time. So parents, you all can just sign out the register and leave one by one. Okay?
दीदी वहाँ पे लाइट्स भी ऑन ऑफ करती है मुझे इसके लिए लाइट्स दे रहा हूँ मैं इधर रख देना तो वो अच्छा लगेगा ये यहाँ पे
आप खुद आ रहे हो क्या अर्जुन वो सब वायरलेस
ये वाली लाइट बंद कीजिए ना ये वाली Excuse me. Happy birthday dear Ariba. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
वीडियो भी नहीं मिला
टीचर्स आप लोग भी सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट
अरे तुम पे आना अरे वीडियो
वन मोर